Hello everyone, Grandma here.
And Grandpa.
Our grandcats, Simba and Splash, are turning 10 years old. We are making a cat cake for the celebration. We made two 8-inch almond flour honey cakes from scratch. You could use any cake recipe you have, or you could make a box mix and just make two 8-inch cakes. Grandpa is going to show you how to put together the cat cake.
Now we're going to make our cat. First I had to make a template for it. So I have the head, the tail, and the two ears that I'm going to cut out of the cake. So I place it on the cake. Take the ears off. Put my tail back on over here, my template. Take my sharp knife, score, cut the tail out. Take our template off, lift our tail away, and then we're left with our ears. Put the template back on, cut here, and cut across. Remove our templates. Lift out the one ear, lift out the other ear, put it over here, we'll put this one over here, and we'll lift our tail, put our tail over here, then move our head to the top of the body. And we can put our ear over here, put our ear over here, like so. Now we have the shape of a cat. Now I'm going to get some 7-minute frosting that we've made. We have a link below that will tell you how to make the 7-minute frosting. So I take a little bit on my knife, put it on the ear here, attach, push it against it. Do the same for the other ear. Put it over here. Take the tail, move it away a little bit. Put it back. Now we have our tail.
So now Grandpa attached all the ears and the head and the tail. I'm putting the 7-minute frosting on the cake, and it's going to take me a while because this is a very, very moist cake. Now for the cat, we used a cake board, but we found it at our party supply store. But if you don't want to, or probably Michael sells these too. If you don't want to spend the money, you could use a cookie sheet and put your cat on a cookie sheet. I just finished putting on all the 7-minute frosting. And now what I like to do with 7-minute frosting, I like to put coconut on top. So I have coconut here, but right now I want to make some tinted black coconut for the cat. So I have black food dye here. And now I'm going to just mix this up well. This is going to take a while. While Grandpa is going to mix the black food coloring into the coconut, I'm going to put the coconut on the rest of the cake that I want to be white. I'm using unsweetened coconut, but if you want to use sweetened coconut, you could use sweetened coconut. But I'm using unsweetened. I put the candy eyes for the cat on the cake, and Grandpa mixed the food coloring into the coconut. We made black coconut. So now Grandpa's going to be putting black on the face.
I've put all my black coconut on the cat, on the tail, on his head, on his nose, making the nose.
Our fun cat is all completed. We think he looks cute. And for the whiskers, we use thin spaghetti dipped in white chocolate. And of course, we're not going to eat these because these are not cooked. But we just thought that would be a good idea to make the whiskers out of thin spaghetti and white chocolate. So that's our cat cake.
10 years ago, out in the wild, two feral kittens, so scared and so mild. I brought you both in from the cold in the street and promised you safety, a bed and a treat. From hiding in corners to naps in the sun, that's how our rescue journey begun. Happy, happy birthday to Splash and Simba. Happy, happy birthday to Simba and Splash. Happy, happy birthday to Splash and Simba. Happy, happy birthday to Simba and Splash. Splash is now ready to make a big wave, while Simba is confident, cuddly and brave. He traded the yard for toys on the floor and meowing at dinner for a little bit more. From the highest shelves to the cozy chair, nothing compares to my favorite pair. Happy, happy birthday to Splash and Simba. Happy, happy birthday to Simba and Splash. Happy, happy birthday to Splash and Simba. Happy, happy birthday to Simba and Splash. Double digits for my rescued friends. I hope this kitty party never ends. A mountain of tuna, a brand new box. You two are the team that totally rocks. You learn how to trust and you learn how to play. I'm so thankful I found you that